Okay, today we shall discuss about emitter follower configuration. The first problem is they have given and then we need to calculate RE, ZI, Z0, AV, AI, and they have given beta is equal to 100 and R naught is equal to infinity. They have given diagram that VCC they have given 12 voltage and RB 220 kilo ohm and RE they have given 3.3 kilo ohm. Okay, this is what they have given resistance and VCC some other voltage values. Okay, IB is equal to what? IB is equal to VCC minus VBE divided by RB plus open bracket 1 plus beta into beta close bracket RE. Okay, this is what equation for emitter follower configuration. First we need to find out IB. VCC value is 12 voltage and VBE is, they have not given VBE, but we need to consider as 0.7 voltage. RB value is 220 kilo ohm and RE value is 3.3 kilo ohm and beta value they have given 100. Okay, you need to substitute all and you will get 20.42 microamps. We know the IB value. Okay, we can find out IE. To find need what we need. Okay, we need IE, but we don't know the value of IB. So first we will find out IB and later we will find out IE. IE is equal to what? 1 plus beta into IB. We know the value of beta and also IB. Substitute, you'll get 2.062 milliamps. So RE is equal to what? There is a standard formula. RE is equal to 26 millivoltage divided by IE. We know the value of IE. Substitute, you will get 12.61 ohm. This is the value of RE. And next they have asked to find out ZI and Z0. What about ZB? Okay, ZB is equal to, you can observe from, okay, you need to know the derivation of emitter follower configuration. Okay, ZB is equal to what? You need to observe ZB is equal to here beta RE plus 1 plus beta into capital RE. Okay, that is what I have written here, beta RE 1 plus beta into capital RE. We know the value of beta and small RE and we know the value of capital RE also. You need to substitute and you will get the value that is 334.56 kilo ohm. That is the value of ZB. If you know the value of ZB, then we can find out input impedance and also output impedance. That is, input impedance is equal to RB parallel with ZB. RB is 2, value is 34.56 kilo ohm. If you do the calculation, then you'll get the value that is 132.72 kilo ohm. Next, Z0 is equal to what? Capital RE parallel with small RE. Capital RE value is 3.3 kilo ohm and small RE value is 12.61 ohm. Okay, if you calculate, then you will get 12.56 ohm. Okay. Next, they have asked to find out AV and also AI. What is the formula for AV? Okay, output voltage gain. Okay, voltage gain formula is RE divided by RE plus capital RE. Okay, capital RE divided by capital RE plus small RE. We know the values, so substitute, you will get 0.996. Next, AI is equal to minus AV into ZI divided by RE is equal to, we know the value of AV, that is 0.996 and ZI value is 132.72 kilo ohm divided by RE value is 3.3 kilo ohm. You will get minus 40 current gain. Next problem, for the circuit shown below, calculate RE and ZI, Z0, AV, AI and beta is equal to 100. R naught is equal to 50 kilo ohm. Okay, in this case we have taken R naught as infinity. Okay, in this case we are considering R naught as 50 kilo ohm. Using exact analysis for voltage divider bias circuit, since beta RE is less than 10 times of R2, we get IE is equal to what? You will get 1.37 milliamps. This is the circuit. You can first you need to observe the circuit, because this is the circuit voltage divider bias. How you will find out voltage divider bias? R1 R2. If you get the R1 R2, then the circuit is voltage divider bias. You can observe this circuit also. They have given RP directly. Okay, this is a emitter follower configuration. They have not given the RC here. Okay, here you can observe RC value and RE and also R1 R2. Then this is the circuit of voltage divider bias. First we need to whether it is exact analysis or approximate analysis, we should check using exact analysis for voltage divider bias circuit. Why we are using exact analysis? Because it is a beta RE is less than 10 times of R2, so that's why we are using exact analysis. VB is equal to VTH is equal to VCC into R2 divided by R1 plus R2 is equal to, if you substitute the values of VCC and R2, R1, then you will get 2.347. Okay, VB value. Next, VB is equal to VB minus VE. VE is equal to VB minus VE. VTH minus VBE. VB is nothing but VTH. Okay, VTH value is 2.7. VB value is 0. Nearly equals to 1.65. What about IE? IE is equal to VE divided by IE. So IE value is 1.375. So we know the value of IE. We can find out easily. IE is equal to 26 millivolt divided by IE is equal to 18.90 ohm. Next to ZB. ZB is equal to beta RE plus capital RE. We know the value of beta and small RE and also capital RE. Substitute, you will get 121.89 kilo ohm. Zi is equal to what? RB parallel with ZB. Okay, we know the value of RB and also ZB parallel. After doing parallel, RB is nothing but R1 parallel R2. First we need to find out RB. Later we need to parallel with that answer. Okay. 13.04 parallel with 121.89 kilo ohm. If you solve that one, you will get 11.77 kilo ohm. Okay. Z0 is equal to what? Z0 is equal to RE parallel with small RE. You need to remember the formulas. So many formulas are there. You need to remember according to the topic. Okay. 1.2 kilo ohm and parallel with 18.90, you will get 18.60 ohm. Next, voltage gain, current gain. Voltage gain is equal to what? RE divided by small RE plus capital RE. We know the value, substitute, you will get 0.984 voltage. Okay, voltage gain. Okay, no unit. Current gain, AI is equal to minus AV ZI divided by RE. If you substitute the values, then you will get the minus 9.65. This is the current gain. Next, problems on collector feedback configuration. For the circuit shown below, RE, ZI, we need to calculate RE, ZI, Z0, AV, AI, and they have given that beta is equal to 200 and R0 is equal to 60 kilo ohm. They have given VCC as 9 voltage and RB as 180 kilo ohm and RC is equal to 2.7 kilo ohm. Okay. You need to observe this is called collector feedback configuration. There is a no value of RE. Okay. IB is equal to what? VCC minus VBE divided by RF. RF is nothing but this only. Okay. RF, because it is connected from collector to base. Okay. The resistance is connected from collector to collector to base. This acts like a feedback. Okay. That's why the RF plus beta into RC. Okay, now we know the values. Substitute, you will get IB value as 11.53 microamps. Okay, VCC value is 9 voltage, VB is 0.7 and RF is 180 kilo ohm and beta value is 200, RC value is 2.7 kilo ohm. Okay, if you substitute, if you solve, you will get 11.53 microamps. Next, we need to find out IE, 1 plus beta into IB, you will get 2.32 amps. 2.32 milli amps. Okay. IE is equal to 26 millivoltage divided by IE. We know the value of IE. Substitute, you will get 11.21 ohm. Next, they have asked to find out Zi and Z0, input impedance and output impedance. Input impedance formula is that is beta RE divided by 1 plus beta into RC divided by RF. Okay, from this equation we know the value of beta, that is 200, and RE value is 11.21 ohm, and beta value and RC value they have given that 2.7 kilo ohm, and RF value is 180 kilo ohm. So if you substitute, if you solve, you will get 560.5 ohm, that is input impedance. Next, output impedance is equal to RC parallel with RF. Okay, RC value is 2.7 kilo ohm and RF value is 180 kilo ohm. If do the parallel, okay, I think you know if A parallel B, then A into B divided by A plus B. Okay. Okay, this is how we solve the parallel. If two numbers are in parallel, or two resistance are in parallel, 2.7 kilo ohm into 180 kilo ohm divided by 2.7 kilo ohm plus 180 kilo ohm. That answer is 2.66 kilo ohm. Next, voltage gain minus RC divided by small RE. We know the value, that is RC value 2.7 kilo ohm and RE value is 11.21. So if you solve that, you will get minus 240.86. Then AI is equal to minus AB into ZI divided by RC. You will get minus EAB value is 240.86. So substitute ZI value is how much you got ZI value 560.5 ohm and RC value is 2.7 kilo ohm. Substitute, you will get 50. That is current gain. Okay. Next, problem on common base configuration. Okay. For the common base configuration shown in the figure, determine RE, ZI, Z0, AB, AI. Okay. Same thing they have asked. This is the figure. They have given the diagram. First, we should know the common base configuration circuit. Okay. This is the circuit of common base configuration. You need to compare. Okay. This is RE. Okay. RE, and you can observe this is RC and this is RC. Okay, formulas: IE is equal to 2 voltage minus VBE divided by 1 kilo ohm. Okay, 2 voltage minus this value, VBE value 0.7 divided by resistance value. Okay, that you'll get 1.3 milliamps. That is what IE. Okay, and RE is equal to what? 2.7 millivoltage divided by 1.3 milliamps is equal to, you'll get 20 ohm. RI, capital RI is equal to small RE, that is 20 ohm. Capital RI, they have given that capital RI is equal to small RE is equal to 20 ohm. R naught is equal to small r naught 1 mega ohm. Okay. R naught is equal to what? They have given in the question R naught is equal to 1 mega ohm. AV is equal to, that is voltage gain is equal to R naught parallel with RC divided by small RE. We know the value of R naught and we know the value of RE and also we know the value of RC. So substitute 1 mega ohm parallel with 5 kilo ohm divided by 20. Okay, this is RC value. Okay, you can observe the circuit. This is RE value, capital RE. Okay, AV value you will get 248.75. AI is equal to what? Minus alpha. Okay, you can observe the here equations. Voltage gain. Okay, AI is equal to minus alpha. Minus alpha, they have given alpha is equal to what? 0.98. So minus alpha means minus 0.98. Next, problem on CE amplifier using H parameter model. Okay. For the transistor connected in CE configuration, determine AV, AI, RY and R0 using the complete hybrid equivalent model. RL is equal to RS is equal to 1 kilo ohm and HIE is equal to 1 kilo ohm, HIE is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 4 and HFE is equal to 100 and H0 E is equal to 20 microamps per voltage. Okay. AI is equal to this. Before going to the problems on CE amplifier using H parameters model, we need to derive the equations. Okay, first we shall go for that. Okay, till now we have read about hybrid equivalent model, just introduction. Okay, after that we have solved some problems on common emitter base configuration and also we have solved emitter follower configuration. Okay. This is the relation between the parameters of hybrid model and the RE model. Okay, we need to relation between the parameters of hybrid model and also RE model. You can compare with this hybrid model versus RE model for CE configuration. Okay, comparing two models, we obtain the following relations that when you compare these two, what you can observe, HIE is equal to beta RE. Okay, you can observe this one, HIE is equal to beta RE. HFE is equal to what? HFE is equal to beta. Okay. When you compare with IE model and hybrid model and IE model, this is what you will get equations, that is HIE is equal to beta IE, HFE is equal to beta. Okay. Hybrid model versus IE model for CB configuration. When you take CB configuration, HIB is equal to what? IE, HFB is equal to what? Alpha. Okay. In any transistor, either PNP or NPN, IE and IC opposite HFB, which is the ratio of IC to IE, must have negative sign. Okay. Therefore, HFB, which is the ratio of IC to IE, it will have a negative sign, but the value of alpha is given with a positive sign. Hence, it is appropriate to write that is HFB is equal to minus alpha. Since minus alpha is equal to 1, we can write that as HFB is equal to minus alpha and is equal to minus 1. Next topic is conversion between hybrid parameter. You should know the formulas for this. Okay, CB hybrid parameters in terms of CE hybrid parameters. Okay, we are writing common base hybrid parameters in terms of common emitter hybrid parameters. HIB. Okay, HIB is equal to HIE divided by 1 plus HFE. HRB is equal to HIE into HOE divided by 1 plus HFE minus HRE. HFB is equal to minus HFE divided by 1 plus HFE. HOB is equal to HOE divided by 1 plus HFE. CC hybrid parameters in terms of CE parameters. Okay, you need to know the formulas of these. Okay, when you compare with the two common emitter and common collector, you need to know the formulas. Next, we shall go for the derivation. Derive the expression for AI, AV, RI and R0 for common emitter amplifier using H parameter model. Okay. CE amplifier. This is the CE amplifier. CE amplifier in its H parameters model. You can observe the H parameters model, HFE into IB and HRE into VC. Here this is HIE and here HOE. Okay, this is RL. Okay. First we need to find out current gain. IL is IL divided by IB. Okay, output voltage divided by output current divided by input current, that is what current gain. But divided by IC by okay. Here what current is flowing? It is opposite to the IL. So minus IC divided by IB. IC is equal to what? IC can be written as HFE into IB. Okay, this one HFE into IB plus HOE into VC. Okay, and this is what overall circuit IC is equal to HFE into IB plus HOE into VC. HFE into IB plus what about VC? Okay, what about VC? Here VC value VC value is minus IC into RL. Okay, VC value is minus IC into RL. So substitute the value of VC, that is minus IC into RL. So from this equation, if you take out common IC, then 1 plus HOE into RL close bracket IC is equal to HFE into IB. From this equation we got that output divided by input, that is IC minus IC divided by minus IC divided by IB. So you'll get equation that is minus HFE divided by 1 plus HOE into RL. Okay, this is what current gain. Okay, minus IC divided by IB is equal to what? Minus HFE divided by 1 plus HOE into RL. This is what current gain. Next, from this equation, we need to find out input resistance. That is, input resistance is equal to VB divided by IB. Usually, resistance we will write V divided by I. But in this case, input resistance means input is base. So, VB divided by IB. VB is equal to what? VB is equal to HIE into IB plus HRE into VC. Okay. VB is equal to what? HIE into IB. Okay. HIE into IB and HRE into VC. Okay. HRE into VC. When you apply loop for this case, okay, only this much, then you will get HIE into IB plus HRE into VC. Okay, that is what VB. Next, VC is equal to what? VC is equal to minus ICRL. We already know. That can be written as what? Capital AI, because you can observe here from this equation. Okay, from this equation, we can write it as AI, okay, minus IC. Instead of minus IC, we can write it as AI into IB. Okay, AI into IB RL. VB is equal to what? VB is equal to HIE IB plus HRE. We know the value of VC, that is AI into IB into RL. We need to substitute the value of VC. Okay. RI is equal to input resistance is equal to what we have written equation VB divided by IB. We know the value of VB. Substitute from this equation. If you take out IB as common, then you will get HIE plus HRE into AI RL. Okay. Substituting the AI is equal to what? AI is equal to what we got? AI is equal to minus HFE divided by 1 plus HOE into RL. Okay, if we substitute the value of AI, then we get RI is equal to HIE minus HRE into HFE RL divided by 1 plus HOE into RL. Next, voltage gain. Voltage gain is equal to VC divided by VB. VC divided by VB. VC value is AI into IB into RL divided by VB. Here AI into RL divided by RY, because this can be written as RY. Okay. VC is equal to what? Minus IC into RL. A is equal to AI into IB RL. So VB is equal to RI into IB. Okay. Opposite output admittance. Okay. Output admittance is equal to what? IC divided by VC. Okay. IC divided by VC with VS is equal to 0. While finding output impedance or output admittance, we will make that source voltage as 0. Okay, IC is equal to, then you'll get IC is equal to what? Same equation. Okay, HFE into IB plus HOE into VC. Dividing equation by VC, we get Y naught is equal to IC divided by VC is equal to HFE into IB divided by VC plus HOE. Okay, this is what output admittance. From figure B with Vs is equal to 0, we can write it as Rs into IB, HIE into IB plus HRE into VC is equal to 0. That is, from this figure we can write it as, okay, Rs into IB plus HIE into IB plus HRE into VC is equal to 0. Then from this equation they have taken common as IB. Rs plus HIE you will get here minus HRE into VC. IB divided by VC you will get this equation, that is minus HRE divided by Rs plus HIE. Now substituting value of IB divided by IC in Y naught. If you know the value of IB, that is IB divided by VC, then substitute the value, that is HOE minus HFE into HRE divided by HIE plus RS. This is what the value of output admittance. Okay, but what we should find out? Output impedance or output resistance R naught is equal to what? 1 divided by Y naught. Okay, this is what the derivation for CE amplifier using hybrid parameter model. In next class, I will explain about the derivation for the current gain, same current gain, voltage gain, input impedance, and also we need to find out output impedance, but for emitter follower circuit. Okay.